and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Des Plaines Locksmith, located in Des Plaines, is a fast, reliable, and trustworthy connection for all of your locksmith needs. When you have an urgent situation, we realize that you need a technician who will comprehend and distinguish the issue and find a solution as promptly as possible. Our employees are the best in handling locksmithing issues. Our professionals are the best, as they have ample expertise to carry out any job at the most reasonable price. So no matter how complex the issue, we take pleasure in resolving it for you. So call Des Plaines Locksmith 773-257-7594.